Hi friends, today we'll be unboxing the Apple Ultra Watch 2. Let's begin by removing this plastic sheet. In the box comes an Apple Ultra Watch band. The band is black. Then comes a guidebook that tells us more about the watch. This is the watch. It comes with a watch charger and the watch itself. Let's remove the protective sheet off the watch. Now we will apply the band on the watch. Let's turn the watch on by pressing the side button. The watch first shows an Apple logo, then tells us to bring the Apple phone nearby. There is so much in this watch, such as steps, music, heart rate, and weather. You can add more if you want. There are so many apps such as Facebook, camera, flashlight, and calculator. These are all the apps detailed. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and share this video with family and friends.